My people, the matter when I put for table today, my people, first of all, my first greet you now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you're about to subscribe, you like this video, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my people, it get matter when I bring command, and this matter, the matter they bother me. It dey bother me, and I come dey ask God, who do we offend? How Nigeria take reach here? Wetin come dey happen for Nigeria? Who do we offend? The video, you get one video when I see, I can't shake my head. I say, no, God, why? These children, their age, let me say 13 years, 14 years, they try like that. They come out for Delta State, go to Edo State. As they reach Edo State, they come, they interview them. Wait on I can't do for Edo State. One say, they can't learn work. What type of work? One I can't learn for Edo State. It can't tell say how they do Yahoo Plus. Jesus, I shock. Yahoo Plus. One can't say no. Say they can't learn as how they take the press button. Hey, my God, they won't learn as how they take the, take the press button. Who do we offend? How we take get here? How we take reach here where we dey so? Waiting can they happen? My people, okay, you never finish for that. You get the one when I see this one, I can't touch me well. I say I won't talk this matter. If you see these guys, let me say 17 years, 18 years, this one, so they fall like that. They fall. Among all of them, one girlfriend, now so they take Kolobi the girl, they can't carry the girl come for one all completable building like that. They carry the girl come, they can't buy the girl, Oh my God. As they buy the girl finish, they can't put the girl for inside one bag like that. As they buy my people, the thing shocked me. As I know if you put the video for you because of YouTube. As they buy the girl finish, they can't put her for inside backup bag like that. No, if you see the class when they take buy the girl, I even shocked. I say, God, why? God, who do we offend? Waiting Nigeria they turn into. I don't know. No small picking for that country again. I don't know who to blame again now. Whether not the youth or not the governor, president, I don't even know what it gonna happen. I don't know at all. I'm totally confused. Honestly. And the way I get to talk to, maybe this thing really come from the leaders, and because if they not stand, they not they they not stand to put the youth where they're supposed to belong. Person go finish school now. Person go finish school, he not see work. He go, the thing go they make and say, man go do bad thing, man go put hand for waiting not the inside book. Now so it just be. And we said that they finish school now, that they see work. You will see now. Graduate go they write okada, different type of thing. What is going on? Who do we offend? Nigeria leaders should wake up. May they do something for the youth. And the youth, as the TED Talk said, the youth, now they be the future leaders of tomorrow. They be leaders of tomorrow. I don't know what it can happen now. As they see this kind of a thing, as they be leader of tomorrow, they need to speak up. Not be the one when they go they put hand for baba thing. No make sense at all. May Nigeria leaders, may they still wake up. May they wake up. Person go train peken, uproot cassava. You go suffer, suffer, uproot cassava, find money when you go take train peken go graduate, go school, see work. If you don't get anybody for that place, see work. It don't really make sense at all. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. And the youth, may they still use their tongue. This money, they know they pursue this money finish. They know they pursue and finish. Now small. Now small you will get money. Now you know if you enjoy them, you know if you last because of you want to meet up, you want to drive a Lamborghini. You know, it don't make sense. It don't make sense. Men are patient, and this one when they buy person now. They kpai person. You know make sense. How hand go let you raise. They kpai your fellow human being. You know make sense. Me na repent. Me na not they do this kind of a thing. Me na repent. As they talk this one finish again, another one when they still do again, another youth, let me say boys again, they can't still catch them again. Now still the same thing. Now still the same thing. They won't make hot money. Quick money not good. Patient. The way when things they go, you know really make sense. It don't make sense at all. Before you go too late, may Nigeria leaders, may they stand up, because this thing is too much. Everybody now don't they fear, to come out outside. If you come out, guess and let me say, babe now, get girlfriend to go meet a boyfriend. I mean, you go they fear because you not trust a boyfriend again now. Waiting that they do now. You get girlfriend. Now the girlfriend they go, kolobi. Before now underwear now it dey rain. If get go man house now, you go carry underwear. Now not be underwear. Now to bye. Make this thing stop. Please guys, make this thing stop. Men I find another work to do. If work not there, men I find another thing to do. This thing not good. Because the thing now fellow, let me say, na fellow human being. How na body they do now? The time when I won't do this thing, because on a don't made up, on a get mind, say I won't buy this person, man, for get money. If you don't get the money, how you go free? You know reason as you take by your fellow human being. You know make sense. Me na repent before you go too late. This thing is not funny anymore. This thing is not funny, Every day they break different things. We know they hear, let me say, good news for that country again. They break everything. They war, they join the war. Now so the country they, I don't understand. I'm totally confused for that country. I'm confused. Make the youth, make they still they use their tongue, And we not say everything hard, but that thing, that money of issue, it not make sense. Men are make on a hand cleanse. Men are cleanse on a hand. Men are remove hand for that bad thing. It not make sense at all. It not make sense. Now here, I get to talk. I for put the video for here, my people. I don't want put the video so that YouTube will not block. Okay, my people. And I have a nice day.